Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add a reply s'il vous plaît or RSVP to your calendar events in the Freedcamp application. So let us dive into this. So guys, here we need to navigate from the home section to the calendar view here in the top left inside your calendar, Freedcamp calendar. Then look for the calendar event, like you can tell by that symbol here, right? That it is a calendar event and not a milestone or task. Click into it. And here guys, what you want to do is click into edit, and then you will see this option here just below the invited users, RSVP updates. Enable it here. Make sure that you also invite users to it. And yeah, that's basically it. Click into save. And that's it, guys. So your invited calendar event members or invitees will then be given the opportunity to update the RSVP. Respondez s'il vous plaît, right? So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.